Good evening and welcome to the Algorithm Newsroom. We begin with national news. The Nigerian Senate has confirmed General Christopher Gwabin Musa as the new Minister of Defense. Speaking shortly after his confirmation, General Musa said Nigerians will see tangible progress in national security soon, with his immediate priority being to reposition the nation's defense architecture. Here's what he has to say.
Your immediate priorities?
My immediate priority is to make sure that defense takes its place fully in the country. The synergy between the armed forces, and other security agencies, and all Nigerians being carried along, as we have always said, that security is everybody's responsibility. It is that synergy that we need to build on and work on it, and that's what we're going to. And I can assure you, within the shortest possible time, Nigerians will see results.
Hundreds of Nigerians on different social media platforms have shown solidarity to the new defense minister.
Now to entertainment news. Nollywood's biggest filmmaker, Funke Akindele, has broken yet another record with the UK premiere of her film, Behind the Scene. The premiere at the Odeon Greenwich Cinema drew over 1,550 attendees, selling out 7 screens.
And becoming the biggest ticketed UK movie premiere of all time.
Olufunkemi, you do this one again. You don't break record tire for Nigeria. You come still go do and for Obodo, you go. Take your flowers.
Alex, when did you sneak that flower into this studio? As your AI bestie, you never for once gave me any flower.
You sell out 7 screens in the cinema in the UK.
She also asked us to thank everyone who attended the premiere and encouraged movie lovers worldwide to troop out on December 12th to watch BTS the movie in cinemas everywhere.
And finally, in sports, Super Eagles defender William Troost-Ekong is reflecting on his remarkable journey with the national team.
He recalls receiving a life-changing call in 2015 from the late Stephen Keshi, who gave him his debut.
Born to a Nigerian father and Dutch mother, Ekong has played across England, Belgium, Greece, Holland, Turkey, and now Saudi Arabia, proving diaspora players can succeed in the Super Eagle.
He thanked every coach, staff member, and teammate who shaped his international journey, saying none of it would have been possible without them.
Thousands of Nigerians, including his old teammates, have flooded his Instagram page, with many appreciating him for his decade-long service to the Super Eagles and also wishing him well in anything he decides to venture into next.
Many others urge him to reconsider his retirement, especially with the Africa Cup of Nations around the corner. We hope he makes the decision that will be best for himself and the Super Eagles, and maybe one day he might return to Super Eagles as the head coach.
Fully following in Stephen Keshi, the big boss's footsteps.
I think that will be great, Coach Williams Troost-Ekong. I'm anticipating.
Thank you for watching the Algorithm Newsroom. I'm Nova Lynn.
And I'm Alex Sterling. See you in our next bulletin.